Hello student, I hope you are happy and enjoying the mathematics. Today I will tell you how to find the solution of linear equation. At first we need to understand what do you mean by the solution of linear equation. The solution of linear equations are the corresponding value of the variable which satisfy a given equation. Let us see. Let us suppose we have given an equation 2x plus 3y equal to 5, right? The value of x which satisfy this equation is called the solution of the linear equation of two variable. Here I am saying I am saying that linear equation two variable because here are x and y two variable. Let us suppose I am putting in the left hand side x equal to 2, x equal to 1 and y equal to 1. 2 into 1 plus 3 into 1 equal to 5 equal to right hand side. So this therefore x equal to 1 and y equal to 1 are called the solution of linear equation. Okay. Now come to the example number 3. Find the four different solution of linear equation x plus 2y equal to 6. Right? Okay. I will find the four different solution by easiest way. Putting x equal to 0, I will get corresponding value of the y. 0 plus 2y equal to 6 and 2y equal to 6, y equal to 6 by 2 equal to 3. Hence 0 comma 2 0 comma 3 is one of the solution of a given linear equation x plus 2y equal to 6. Same way, if I will put y equal to 0, I can get x 2 into 0 equal to 6, x equal to 6. Therefore 6 comma 0 is another solution of a given linear equation. Like that I can find out some more solution. That is why I am putting x equal to 2. Therefore 2 plus 2y equal to 6 and 2y equal to 6 minus 2 4 and y equal to 2. Hence 2 comma 2 is the one more solution of a given linear equation. Like that, if I will put x equal to 4, and 4 plus 2y equal to 6, 2y equal to 6 minus 4 equal to 2 and y equal to 1. Therefore 4 comma 1 is one more solution of given linear equation. Finally, you can write the solution in the form of the table like that. If you want to write 4 solution, you want to just find out 4 solution 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. At first you find out x0 and y3. Second solution you find out y0 x6. Third solution you find out x2 and x2 and y2, and next solution you find out x4 and y1, right? So like as you can find out many solution of this linear equation. Okay. Example number 4, find the two solution for each of the following equation. The like as the example number 3, you can find out the different solution of a corresponding linear equation. Now come to the exercise 4.2. First question. Which one of the following option is true and why? A unique solution, only two solution, infinite many solution. Here infinite many solution is the correct answer. Why you can see? Because for different value of x, I can find out the different value of y. That is for many value of x, I can find out many value of y. Let us suppose if I will put x equal to 0, I will get y equal to 0 plus 5 equal to 5. Similarly, if I will put x equal to 2, x equal to 3, x equal to 4, x equal to 5, we will find out corresponding value of y, means I can find out many solution of this linear equation. So we can say any linear equation of one variable or two variable having many solution. Now come to the question number second. Write 4 solution for each of the following equation. Let us see the question number second part. I want to find out its 4 solution. Okay. By help of the table you can see, if I will put x, y, 1, 1, 2, this one, right? If I will put x equal to 0, I will get 0 plus y equal to 9, means y equal to 9. If I will put x y equal to 0, y equal to 0 in the given equation, y equal to 0, I will find out x equal to 9 upon pi. 9 upon pi. Sorry. 9 upon pi. Right? Okay. If I will put x equal to 9 upon pi, x equal to 9 upon pi, I will find out x equal to 9 upon pi. I will find out pi into 9 upon pi plus y equal to 9. You will get y equal to 0. Right? If I will put x equal to 1, I will get y equal to 9 minus pi. So same way I can find out the solution of rest of the part. Now come to the question number third. Check which of the following are solution of the equation x minus 2y equal to 4 and which are not. Right? The pair which satisfy the given equation. Satisfying the given equation means if I will put value of x and y from a given value, if in case I will getting the right hand side, the corresponding values will be a solution of a system of linear equation. Let us check for first part. Check for first part. The first part is in the first part we have given x equal to 0 and y equal to 2. X equal to 0, y equal to, you will put x equal to 0, y equal to 2 into 2 equal to minus 4, which is not equal to right hand side. So therefore first part is not a solution of linear equation. No. Now check it for the second part. It's 2 comma 0. Put x equal to 2, x equal to 2, y equal to 0, 2 into 0 equal to, you are getting 2, which is not equal to right hand side. So therefore second part is not the solution of linear equation. No. Now check it for third one. Okay. Third part. If you will put x equal to 4 and y equal to 0, put x equal to 4 in the left hand side of a given equation, x equal to 4 minus 2 into 0 equal to 4 minus 0 equal to 4, means you are getting the right hand side. Hence 4 comma 0 is a solution of a given equation. Now come to the question number third, fourth part. Put x equal to root 2 and y equal to 4 root 2. Put x equal to root 2, y equal to 4 into root 2, equal to root 2 minus 4 to the 8 root 2 equal to minus 7 root 2, right, not equal to 4. So therefore the third part is not a solution of given equation. Check it for same with the fifth part. You can find out the required condition. Now come to the question number 4. Find the value of k if x equal to 2 and y equal to 1 is the solution of the equation 2x plus 3y equal to k. Dear student, in this problem you have given that x equal to 2 and y equal to 1 is the solution. So it will satisfy the given equation. Given equation is 2x plus 3y equal to k. 2 into x equal to you have given x equal to 2 and y equal to 1. So you will put 2 into x equal to 2 plus y equal to 3 into 1 equal to k. 2 to the 4 plus 3 7 equal to k implies k equal to 7. Right? Okay. I hope you'll understand these all questions. Thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead.